channel. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So today we're in the garage, as you can tell, and this part, I mean, it's clean on this side, but when you come to this side, it's kind of a hot mess. So I've been having this toolbox for a minute, and I don't know how it's going to look because the description told me it was something completely different, and it turned out being way smaller than expected what I paid for. But I'm gonna still use it because it's past the 30 days I can return it. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today to organize all my tools and clean the garage. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, hit the like, comment below, and I'll give you more, and comment what else you would like to see on my channel. So I already started opening this box and I'm out of breath, and not because I'm out of shape, I'm just out of breath. You'll know eventually. But anyways, I'm really just focused on cleaning this area, not these shelves, because I already threw what I need to throw on there, and that one looks like it's gonna collapse, so I don't really want to do it myself because I don't want it to fall on me. So probably wait for Juju when she's free one day, from not like because she's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out somehow and move it right there to make it a little neater in here and get rid of the wrap, at least like roll it up and put it away. So let's go. Okay, so we have the box right here. I'm trying my best to open it without doing too much. So that's hasn't been opened in like a month or so. So I'm gonna try and remove it. It is pretty heavy, but I'm gonna figure out. I'm not gonna completely lift it up. I'm just gonna kind of like scoot it, you know? And then I'm gonna lay it down and take this off. Okay, so I did make a mess in here, and Juju's going to kill me because she always keeps it, clean in here, and I'm not necessarily doing that, but I'm trying my best. Trash day for that. So when trash day comes, my queen could throw that away. Here's this for now. You know what I was thinking is this is supposed to go on top of like an extra like toolbox you're supposed to have. So that was my issue. Where's my knife? So here's my knife, and I'm gonna take this zip tie off. Don't got time for that, if you know. I'm gonna take this off. And we have all this. Let me figure this out. I'll be back. Okay, so it kind of took me a minute to take everything out, but I did get it out, and I guess this piece is gonna go on top of here, and hopefully it's not that bad, I'm hoping. And then I'm assuming this is a tray, probably goes in somewhere in here, yeah. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna place you guys right here. My knife, where is it? Here's my knife. We'll go ahead and take this out. I don't want to hit my Corvette. Okay guys, so we're on wheels now. So this thing scoopsity scoops and everything. Now I'm gonna put Oh, I think it's still recording. Oh my god, it's on 360. Hell no. What? Oh my god, why? We got a little catfished on our little box that we decided to buy off Amazon because Harbor Freight kept like breaking on me. Maybe it was just my luck, but you know what? We can't return it anyways because it's past my 30 days and this has been sitting in the garage in the box for like 3 months now. So it's gonna go right back where the box was. It's just wrapped everywhere. Just gonna go back to where it was. And I honestly dented it like, oops, oh well. I don't know. Now, sadly, I need to pick up all my mess. Mainly the wrap, like just the stuff right here. We're not focused on that because I think eventually it's gonna collapse anyways. So I'm gonna get a metal one instead because, yeah. So all this wrap needs to go. This stuff needs to go too, but that's way too heavy. So yeah.